I'm Dana Ramler, and this is Holly Schmidt. We're from Emily Carr University of Art and Design. Our project is called BioCircuit.
Basically, what BioCircuit does is it calculates your heart rate and it translates that into a playback of an audio file. And the audio files are different soundscapes that are taken from the natural environment. So if your heart rate is really low, it actually plays a soundscape of a natural environment with birds singing and water, those kinds of things. If it's really fast, it actually plays a kind of a really chaotic soundscape of an urban environment. So there's traffic, cars honking, that kind of thing. So
I saw lily pads on there.
Yep. Yeah.
Tell something about how you did it.
So there's a heart rate monitor that's worn against the skin and under the clothes, and that communicates with the heart rate monitor interface. And the lily pad and the interface speak to one another to determine what the heart rate is and what track you should be at according to that heart rate.
What do you say if I say, when the heartbeat is low, I want to have some more powerful sounds that I get up again? Is it possible to change it on the garment?
That's the beauty of it. Now that the technology is all in place, it just requires you putting a different set of tracks onto the MP3 player to change the experience. So you could invert it so that when you're resting, you get more pumped up, and if you're anxious, it calms you down. Or you could have a completely different set of songs on there that create a different experience.
So do you know Hussein Chalayan, the fashion artist? How do you see your work in relation to his work?
Oh, that's a tough question. I would love to one day create a piece that's part of a collection of his, but in relation to his work, I guess you get the sculptural quality of fashion and the underpinnings of the technology that create a different experience from wearing a garment.
And is it possible to have it not only on a vest, or what is it? Is it a vest or a jacket?
It's a vest, and it's the form that it took it's just one possibility, but it could take any form after this. It's just one interpretation.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.